Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable iOS 18 eye tracking on iPhone. Apple released the new iOS 18 and launched the new feature eye tracking on iPhone. So guys, how to enable and use eye tracking on iPhone? First of all, tap on the settings app. Little bit scroll up and find tap on accessibility and tap on it. You can see appears on screen many features. You can see appears on screen. Second bar and fifth option is eye tracking. Tap on it. You can see appears on screen eye tracking. Toggle turn it on. You can see you can see appears on screen. Enable eye tracking on iPhone and use this. You can see enable it. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to enable eye tracking on iPhone after the iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.